The mission of the Center for Calling a Career is to equip students in their pursuit of meaningful work. What we want to do is help students understand that really their transition from being a student to then working as a professional in the work world, not to be cliche, but it's absolutely a journey, and it's a process of, in some ways, self-discovery, of discovering what it is that their interests are, because a lot of times they're just finding those things out as they come here for the first time. When a student comes looking for our assistance, looking for our counsel, what we will do is walk them through a 3-step process in helping them make the transition from being a student to being a professional in the work world. And the steps of that process would include, first of all, being curious about something. Secondly, networking about that thing, asking questions about that, what that thing might be. And thirdly, doing an internship on that, whatever that is. Wherever they are on their academic journey, whether they're freshmen who have just come in to the college, who are just starting off on their academic career, or if they're getting ready to graduate. We really want to be a part of helping students as they make that transition from life as a college student here at Covenant to life in the professional world after Covenant.